So guys, now we got a 2013 Odyssey. They said the passenger side blows hot out of this vent. I guess that one works, they said, I don't know. But they said the driver's side works fine. But then when I scan it, I have all these codes. So I'm going to clear them, come back, see what happens. Look at it, every module's like reporting these codes in the HVAC. It's kind of interesting. So I'm going to clear them because there's codes for like everything for the drivers and passenger side. And it's all the mixed door and blower motor circuits. I don't have a try, I'm disconnecting stuff, but I want to see what's active. Okay guys, so I came under here and I thought that was the air mix door, but I'm not. Oh, it's not. The air mix door is right there. That connector in the middle. And they had the connectors reversed. Now that I switched it around, I can control the AC. And I don't think we have the short code. I'm doing a full system scan, but my Zeus died, so I'm using the die gun and it's reading really, really slow. But now it's actually working. So guys, right now our duct temp is 43, 42, dead on for our temperature. These are our codes. We only have those two body codes and that's it. So it was a fix. So these are the temperatures out of the center duct and that's the temp sitting right now in the car.